In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import GitHub project in Jupyter Notebook. This walkthrough is perfect if you want a quick, reliable way to bring a project from GitHub into the folder Jupyter uses without dealing with command line tools. First, open your web browser and go to GitHub. Sign in if needed, then navigate to the repository you want to use. On the repository's homepage, look for the main navigation and open the Code tab. This tab shows you the files and also the options for getting the project onto your computer. Near the top of the file list, click the green Code button. A small panel will appear with several options. Choose Download Zip. This downloads a snapshot of the repository as a compressed file, which is a simple, one-click way to grab everything you need. When the download finishes, locate the zip file in your Downloads folder. Extract or unzip it. On Windows, right-click and choose Extract All. On Mac OS, double-click to expand it. You'll now have a regular folder containing the project's files, including any notebooks, data folders, and supporting code. Next, move this extracted project folder into the place Jupyter Notebook serves files from. That's typically the directory you start Jupyter in. If you launch Jupyter from Anaconda Navigator, it usually opens your user folder by default. If you start it from a terminal, it opens in whatever directory you are in. Open your File Explorer or Finder, locate that Jupyter folder, and drag the entire extracted project folder into it. Keeping the whole folder intact helps preserve the project's structure so relative paths and imports work as expected. That's it. The next time you open Jupyter Notebook, you'll see the project folder listed on the homepage. Open it, and your notebooks will be ready to run. If you run into permission prompts or missing libraries, install any required packages listed by the project before executing the notebooks. With this approach, you've cleanly imported a GitHub project into Jupyter and kept everything organized in one place.